Hi, I'm Tina Shortland, Debt Advisory Manager with Debt Advice TV. When you're ready to address your debts, you'll want to speak to a debt advisor to discuss your situation and look at the options available to you. In my experience for over 10 years now, in order for us both to get the most out of that call, there's some important information you should have together beforehand. That information will form the basis of the proposal that we put together to your creditors on your behalf, and ultimately will determine what they will and won't accept for you. What I'm going to do in this video is run through that information. Now, it's a short clip and there is a lot of information to take on board, so what I suggest is you watch the clip all the way through to the end, then grab a pen and a piece of paper, come back and watch the clip again and make some notes on what I run through. The first thing you'll need to list are your creditors, the people you owe money to, and for this list it's your unsecured creditors. You'll need to think about your credit cards, store cards, catalogues, credit agreements, bank overdrafts. Do you have any loans? Is there a shortfall on any property that's been repossessed? Have you been overpaid any tax credits? Have you had to hand a car back that you were paying finance on? Have you had to end a mobile phone contract shortly? Is there a balance owing on it? There are many creditors that you might owe money to. Make a list of all of those that you can think about. Secondly, we'll look at your income. What's coming into the household on a monthly basis? Salaries. You need to know whether you're paid monthly or 4-weekly. And what's the net amount coming into the house? Have a look at your wage slip if you're unsure. Do you receive any maintenance payments for any children? Do you receive any benefits? Do you own another property that you're receiving rental income for? Or do you have anybody living or lodging with you that pays board and rent? Do you have any pension payments? Once we know your income, we then need to look at your expenditure. So make a list of everything that you can think about that you pay out for on a monthly basis or an annual basis. Think of everything, but don't worry if you've forgotten something. Your debt advisor will go through this in detail with you and they will help you. You also need to list your assets. Do you own any properties? If you do, we need to know about the mortgage and any secured lending on them and the value. Do you own any vehicles? Do you have any finance on those vehicles? Do you have any ISAs or any endowments or any savings or shares? Like I said, that was quite an extensive list, so feel free to watch this clip as many times as you need to capture all of that information. Now, if you've got any questions for us, then you can do one of two things. Call us on the number below, or click on the link, and that will take you to a Contact Us page and we'll be in touch. I really hope the video has been of use to you. See you again soon.